The Boeing X-32 was a multi-purpose jet fighter in the Joint Strike Fighter contest. It lost to the Lockheed Martin X-35 demonstrator, which was further developed into the F-35 Lightning II. In September of 2000, the X-32A made its first flight, and it made a total of 66 flights during 4 months of testing. The flights demonstrated the aircraft's handling qualities for in-flight refueling, weapons bay operation, and supersonic flight. The aircraft was moved to the National Museum of the United States Air Force in 2005.
Breakfast of the bridge is kicked out, so you go put the air back on.